caught in the act, again. The Google Nest Cam that sees everything. Even your dog's couch crimes. You're swamped. One eye on the baby, one ear tuned to your barking dog, and your brain ping-ponging between did I leave the stove on, and why is it too quiet in the living room? Welcome to modern chaos, where peace of mind feels like a luxury reserved for monks. Between work, parenting, and keeping your house from turning into a reality show, you can't be everywhere at once. And those cheap security cams with potato-quality video and no alerts? Total waste. You need surveillance that actually surveils, not something that leaves you squinting and guessing. Because when your camera fails, chaos wins. Imagine missing your toddler's midnight expedition to the fridge. Or watching a mysterious blur tip over your houseplant, again. Or worse, not knowing at all. The constant guesswork grates on your nerves, piles on your anxiety, and leaves you feeling helpless while your house slowly mutinies. You're drowning in uncertainty, and those fake peace of mind cameras just feed the madness. Without something real, your home turns into a Wild West drama, where you're the sheriff with no badge, no backup, and no clue what's happening after 9 p.m. Enter Google Nest Cam Indoor, 1st Gen, your high-def home spy and calm restoring hero. This isn't some knockoff webcam duct taped to a bookcase. We're talking crisp 1080p HD streaming 24/7, night vision powered by 8 infrared LEDs, and two-way audio so you can drop dad jokes or dog commands on demand. It detects motion and sound, then instantly alerts your phone. It doesn't just record, it remembers, with a 3-hour snapshot history and a 30-day Nest Aware trial packed with intelligent alerts, activity zones, and video history. You don't have to be home to own your home anymore. Setup? Stupid easy. Plug it in, launch the Nest app, and boom, you've got surveillance smarter than half your relatives. Mount it, shelf it, or magnet it to your fridge. Its 180 degrees pivot stand obeys your every angle. From calling out the kid sneaking cookies to checking if your cat's staging another rebellion, the Nest Cam's real-time alerts keep you effortlessly in charge. Talk, listen, rewind, share, or laugh at the footage, because let's be honest, someone always does something weird when they think no one's watching. And now, you're always watching. Like Batman, but in HD. So why wait? For another mystery mess? Another I didn't do it from a guilty toddler? Don't. It's time to flip the script. Grab the Google Nest Cam Indoor today and turn confusion into clarity, chaos into calm, and what happened into I saw that. Your home deserves eyes, even when yours are shut. Don't miss the couch crimes, the midnight fridge raids, or the in-laws judging your throw pillows. Watch it all. Own it all. Laugh at it later. Order now, because trust? It starts with a camera that never blinks.